Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a schema markup into our Wix website. So schema markups are a great way to let search engines like Google, Bing, and other search engines know more information about our website. So an example of this, I've searched in Google Facebook, and then we have here a search result for Facebook, and then we have some information right here on the bottom of it. And then we also have some other information right here on the right side of the screen, displaying some more information about Meta. So this is what the schema markup does. It lets search engines display more information about your website. So in order to do this in our website, let's just go back to the editor, click on Pages and Menu, click on the home page, and then click on the three dots right here and go to Settings. And then we will scroll until we will find the Advanced SEO tab, and then we will click on the Structured Data Markup. After that, we will click on Add New Markup. And in order to add a new markup, we need to have a schema markup code for this. But don't worry, we have a schema markup generator from another website so that we can generate our schema markup more easily. So we'll just click on this information icon right here, and then a pop-up will display. Oops, sorry, let me click on it again. And then a pop-up will display the markup using external tool, then paste your code here. And then it will also give us a link to a markup generator. So we'll just click on this one, and then it will redirect us into the technical SEO website, and we have our schema markup generator. So in order to create the schema markup, we will click on which schema markup would you like to create. Let's just click on this, and it will give us different options for our schema markup. So let's just choose the local business, and then we have here some information that we need to input into our schema markup, and then our actual schema markup code is listed right here on the right side of this screen. So let's just put some information, for example, accessories, then image URL. You can use our logo. If you have your own logo, let's just upload it into our Wix website. For example, let's click on media, let's click on upload media, and then let's click on upload from computer, and then let's just click on the logo picture. And then this will be uploaded into our Wix website. Let's just click on actions, and then let's click on these three dots, and then let's copy the URL. And then there we have our URL copied. If you also want to use the built-in pictures from Wix, you can do so as well. You can just explore the other galleries that Wix has. So let's just go back and paste our image URL. Let's paste it, and then there we have our image URL logo. And then for the URL of the ID, let's just put in the ID, or the website address of your Wix website. So let's just put in something like website.com, and then let's just copy this, paste it in the URL. And then for the phone, let's just put some sample numbers. Then for the price range, you can just put in some dollar signs depending on how expensive the items in your Wix website will be. For example, you can just put in some $100 to $200. It depends on your preference. For this video, I'll just put in some dollar signs on my schema markup. Then for the street, you can just put in the street and then the address of your business. For example, just put in some sample information right here. And then for the country, let's just insert that. So once you're done, you can just copy the schema markup like this, and then proceed to copy it. But another way to do it more easily is that you can just click on this copy icon right here, and then it will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Then we'll go back to our website editor, then go back to our pages, Go back to our homepage, click the settings, and then click advanced SEO. Then we will add a new markup right here, and then we will paste our schema markup code here. Then we will add a name for this. Let's just put in business schema markup. Then we'll click on apply. And then there we have our schema markup. So once you have finished your website, you can just publish this. And then now the search engines will now have more information about our website because we have put in a schema markup into it. And that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add your own schema markup. And thank you for watching this video.